Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny. In this video, I'll be showing you all exactly how I do my own pedicures at home. I noticed recently that I've been getting quite a few comments on my older pedicure tutorials. I'm assuming because spring is here now, so I decided to go ahead and do an updated video for you all. Here's a quick look at some of the products I may or may not use in this video, but all of the products and tools that I do decide to use will be listed and linked in my description box down below. And just a quick tip to save money, I like to use some of the same products from my shower. I just grab those and use them for my pedicures as well. So I'm going to start off by adding some bath salt to the water, also 2 drops of body wash to prevent the bubbles from going everywhere, and then some moisturizing bath beads. I then go ahead and I remove my old nail polish before soaking my feet into the water for about 5 minutes, and this will help to soften up my heels and my cuticles before we begin this process. So the first thing I like to do is push back my cuticles to remove all of that dead skin, and since my cuticle pusher is double-ended, I use the opposite side to clean underneath my nails. I dip my feet back into the water on and off in between steps. And then the next thing I'm going to do is use my cuticle trimmer to remove the dead skin along the side of my big toe and then just around my pinky toe as well. I also like to remove the unwanted hair from on my toes. I'm going to use an electric razor. You can either wax this off, tweeze it, whatever method you prefer. Next up, I'm just going to trim down my nails a bit using a nail clipper. And I like for my nails not to really pass my skin too much, so yeah, that's kind of like my testing point. If I place my finger flat and then it kind of sticks out, I don't like that when it reaches out beyond my skin. So those are pretty much all of the steps that I do. I kind of just alternate between soaking my feet, taking my feet out of the water to trim off that dead skin, cleaning underneath my nails, and then once I'm satisfied, that's when I kind of proceed with polishing my nails. So yeah. Just going to go ahead and brush away at all of that junk that we push back from under the cuticles, and it also has a pumice stone on one side, so I'm going to use that to smooth out my heels even further. So I guess this will be like the manual version to the Anklet little pedi spa that I showed in the beginning of the video. So yeah, I kind of alternate between different tools, just depends on my mood and how quick or whatever time I want to spend on my pedicure. Also, I decided not to chat as much in this video because I got comments from you all saying that pedicure tutorials tend to relax you all. So I chose a different style of music just to kind of set that tone and mood for this video for you all as well. I'm using a nail file to perfect the shape of my toenails. I like that square look, so I hold my file and I go in a straight motion left to right. And then I also stand my file up and go along the sides of the nails to perfect that square or French shape even more. If you would like a rounded look, then you would just kind of curve your file as you go along the nail. And I also use a buffer to smooth out the top portion of the nail, which will help when we begin to apply the nail polish. Finish off this portion of soaking and relaxing my feet, I'm going to take a sugar scrub. This is a homemade sugar scrub, by the way. You can purchase these, but normally when I don't go to the store and purchase them, you can quickly make your own just by using either brown or white sugar, and then also some of your favorite oils. So yeah, normally when I purchase oils that are for various purposes, like a hot oil treatment, massaging on the body, different things like that that serve multiple purposes, I use those oils and I mix the two together, and then you have yourself a nice little sugar scrub. pat my feet dry, I'm just going to apply LA Colors base coat. After the base coat dries completely, I'll be using the Sally Hansen Insta Dry. The name is White on Time, number 113. And I like this one. As far as it's saying Insta Dry, it definitely dries quickly if you go in with one even layer. After the first layer dries completely, I go back in with a second coat of this same polish. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen my nail polish rack when I go live in my room sometimes. I do have different colors and things like that, but just after my first time wearing white on my toes, it's just been like so classic, so clean, and I can't seem to get away from it. So yeah, white like all summer 18, okay? So after those two coats dry, I'm going to go in and apply the Sally Hansen Big Shiny Top Coat. This was also my first time purchasing and using this one as well. First impression on it, I definitely like the shine, and I like the fact that I only needed one coat, which is also what the directions suggest as well. And my purpose for using a top coat, for one, is shine, and then for two is just to kind of protect the nails. And since I'm wearing white polish, it just helps to keep it from getting dirty. I haven't found that my nails tend to get too dirty whether I apply a top coat or not. Either way, this top coat is serving its purpose. It's shiny and it's a top coat, so yeah. I'm going to go in and clean up any mistakes using a small brush and some acetone, and then I'm going to apply a moisturizer all over. All of the products that I used I'll link in my description box down below if I can find them for you all. Questions or comments, be sure to leave all of that down below as well. And I realized that I have like lots of videos on my channel, so I will link my entire nails tutorial playlist at the top of my description box for you all, as well as all of my other pedicure tutorials. Make sure that your pedicures are on point, not even summer, all year, okay? Like regardless, even if nobody sees your feet, you see them. Take care of them, girl. Like, they keep you grounded, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Questions or comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching.